we talk a lot about print on demand because that is what our whole business is based off of, and we know a lot about it. But you might think just books when you hear print on demand. And that's a good thought because at Lulu, we only make books, but books can come in a wide variety of forms and formats. And so today I'm going to talk to you about 6 ways to use print on demand that you may not have thought of. Number 1 is end of year fundraisers. Who doesn't like to raise a little extra funds at the end of the year? Everybody does. And with Lulu, you can create things like cookbooks, calendars, notebooks, journals, planners. All of these can make really great content that can help you raise money at the end of the year. Something really cool that I've seen at Lulu is communities coming together to make cookbooks or calendars to support specific causes that are important to them. At Lulu, we make this easy. You can set up a payee for the organization you are raising money for, and money can go directly to them so you don't have to worry about it. Number 2 is delight your customers and maybe even your employees. You can use Lulu to make really nice custom planners, notebooks, or journals for VIP clients, or even your employees. Reward your employees with a custom notebook or journal, planner, calendar, any kind of print product to let them know they're doing great. Or maybe you are a contractor or a designer, or you're working with a client through a long-term project. A post-project gift can be a really fun way to celebrate the end of that project. Remember how silly your bathroom looked with carpet? Look at it now! This could also work for design iterations for ad campaigns or logos or any other graphic design you might be working on. Number 3 is a quarterly magazine. I feel like in this digital world that we live in, more and more people want that tactile feel of an actual physical product, and magazines are a great way to offer that. So you can highlight trends or wins of your season or year with a beautiful magazine. I remember when my mom made me tear down my Tiger Beat NSYNC wall. You can recreate that with your very own magazine. Magazines are cool. Bring back magazines. Number 4 is daily prompts or reflections. One of my favorite projects that I have seen on Lulu is a gentleman who every year makes a book of all of his favorite quotes from the previous year. I love that idea. I think I will start doing it myself. You can do it too. But this is a really cool way to use print on demand. You don't have to buy multiple copies. You can create a project and just buy one copy for yourself. Number 5 is content monetization. So if you find yourself in the influencer industry, then probably a lot of your content is digital. But what if we find ourselves in the worst case scenario of not having Wi-Fi? How are we going to interact with your content then? We can't, unless you use print on demand to make a book. Think about all the new places around the world that you can reach with Lulu's global print network. Take your best posts or content or blog or newsletters and put them into print. Physical media is making a comeback. I bought a cassette the other day. I don't know how I'm ever going to listen to it, but I'm just happy that it's there. Number 6 is yearbooks. So if you work for a school, then obviously you know that yearbooks can be very expensive, and using print on demand can be a very cost-effective approach to making yearbooks. But they don't just have to be for schools. Maybe you make a yearbook for your company, and before you take that nice winter break, you can pass it around the office and people can write things like, "Stay sweet," or "You're really cool," or "Hey Pamela, I know that you're taking my lunch and I also know you have a nut allergy, so tread lightly." Bonus, you can also use print on demand to create custom projects. So we did a whole video on this, so go check it out. But if you have any content that would cater to individuals like health and wellness or lifestyle, children's books, anything that you can add in an element of customization, that can be a really great use of print on demand as well. Adding print on demand products to your business is great because you never have to worry about inventory. The orders that come through your website or that you sell through the Lulu bookstore are automated. Lulu takes care of the print and fulfillment, and you can reach a global audience with our global print network. As your business grows, you can easily update your content because Lulu never charges any revisions or upload fees. Print on demand can also help you diversify your revenue streams and offer a wide range of products and price points to reach a wider audience. And print on demand gets even better when you can use it to sell your unique books through your own website. With Lulu Direct and our print API, you connect your website to Lulu's global print and fulfillment network, and you can collect customer data, you keep 100% of your revenue, you can white label the whole thing so no one has to know that we're working together, and you can get paid within 24 to 48 hours. Head to lulu.com today to create your free account and get started. And drop a comment below and let us know how you're using print on demand and what you want to see from us next.